So the moment of truth, new gear bushing, yes, very smooth. New engine mounts. I cannot feel the vibration already. There was a vibration when I was initially just moving off, and it was very prevalent actually. Nice. No more vibration. Thank you, Sifu. Bye. Testing dulu ah. So here we go. Let's see how it's now. I'm leaving the air conditioning off, and so far so good. Normally when I was just the initial pickup, there was vibration, and straight away when I told them that, one of the things they said was very possibly engine mounts. Oh, much better. It went into 2 so easily this time, so much easier than previously. No vibration at all. Oh, very cool. Very nice. I was just giving a thumbs up to a Corolla SE behind me. Very nice. So yes, oh, this is so much better. This is immediately better. I can feel it already. Very cool. Okay, here we go. Out onto the highway. Well, not quite. Oh yeah. Very nice. Someone was mentioning about the indicators being on the left. Corolla SE. Oh, that's so much better. It's so crisp. It's so crisp now. Yes. Go, Savvy, go! Yeah, baby. This is nice. This is much better. No more initial vibration pickup. And I'll show you the previous engine mounts in just a little bit. But oh, that's much better. That's much better. It's amazing what engine mounts can do, because now the engine is very tight in the bay. It feels so different. 5th gear, yeah. Oh, very cool. This is very nice. So cool. Yes, thank you Ken and Meng and Hawa and everybody else at Kenzone. Don't forget the new promo that's just come on. Check it out, yeah? Oh, so crisp! Yes! You see? Now, which one of you was saying you were having anxiety attacks when I was trying to shift gear? No more anxiety. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Wonderful. So yeah, very happy with the result now. And for your information, no, I didn't pay the sticker price that was on the car that day. It was a lot less than that. How much? All in 400 ringgit, inclusive of labor, for 3 new engine mounts, gear bushing thingy at the bottom, piece of rubber, and workmanship. 400 bucks. Done. Case closed. Perfect. 400 bucks! Should have done this ages ago. Lovely. Listen to the sound. So nice. So nice. Okay, this is very difficult because you know, it's a manual gearbox, so yeah. Woohoo! So much better. Oh my goodness, so much better. It's so crisp. Check this out. That's it. 3rd gear. 3rd gear. 2nd. Just like that. Lovely. And to think, I bought this car for 1,000 ringgit. So all in, I've still spent less than 5 so far. And it's running beautifully. That. So good. So good. So happy. Excellent. First gear. Second, straight down. Earlier it was like, where's second? Third. Second. Oh, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Thank you guys. So cool. So anyway, the saga of the Savvy is far from over, folks. So stay tuned, more to come. Love it. So as promised, these were the old mountings. As you can see, this one's not too bad, but it's already broken. Very obviously broken here on the side, as you can see. So yeah, that would cause engine vibration. This is totally gone. This is very bad already. And the worst of all the culprits was this one. Look at that. I can actually just move it with my hand, with my thumb. That's how bad it was. This is totally gone. Bits of it already coming out. So yeah, this was the worst culprit of all. So there we go. 3 engine mountings in the car. No more vibration, and it just feels a heck of a lot better. A heck of a lot better. Simple as that. And then the gear bushing, changed and adjusted, all in 400 bucks. And it drives so much better just from that. So yeah, your car will always tell you when it's not feeling well, when something's not quite right. And there you go. The Savvy just did that for me. Told me something's not right with me, check me out. And that's exactly what I got done. So there you go. 3 pieces. I mean, it looks very solid and heavy, but all in 400 bucks, including the gear. Awesome. Really awesome. Nice. Very happy with the car now. It drives so much better. So different. So okay, stay tuned, folks. Lots more to come in terms of where we go next with this journey. Take care, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.